Hey there guys, welcome to another video. So in this video I just want to show you the installation and uninstallation of the desktop Goose that you may have seen on Twitter. And basically to install it, you're going to look up the desktop Goose on your search engine of choice. And you'll see this one by Samperson here, and that's the one you want to download. So we'll go ahead and go to that, and it'll probably take a second here. Okay, so here it is, and this will give you some information about updates and things you can do here. You have a video on how it works and everything. So you can go ahead and download now. And then you can donate. If you don't want to donate, you don't have to. You can hit no thanks, just take me to the download. Go ahead and hit download. And it's a very small file, it's 4 megabytes. All right, so it does download as a .zip file, so you are gonna have to extract it. So we'll go ahead and extract files here. Just extract it wherever you want. So I'm just gonna put it in my downloads folder here. And it'll take a second there, and then you can double click. Now in here you have a couple different things you can do here. So assets, images, and sound. You basically can have music play while he's going around. You can also add different memes if you want to have him pull in different memes. You have a config file which you can open in Notepad, and you can change his aggression and all that other good stuff. You also have the README file here. If you want to get straight to it, you just double click it. This is not going to install anything. This literally runs just from this. So you just double click, hit run. Now if you are on Windows 10, it'll have a smart screen. It probably will come up and say it won't allow it. If you have antivirus running, it may not allow it. So yeah, you may have to disable something to let it run. And eventually he'll start to come onto your screen here. So there he is. And so basically what he does is he walks around the screen, he might grab your mouse, he'll pull in memes from the sides of your screen, he'll pull in little notepads, he'll track mud around your screen and everything. Now, say you want him to stop, you want him to go away right now. All you need to do is press and hold the escape key, and you'll see at the top here, it says continue holding escape to evict the Goose. And that's it. So the program is gone. So you don't have to end it or anything like that. You just hold escape and it'll go away, and that'll be it. If you want to delete it, as I said, it doesn't install anything here, so it can be completely gone. So if I want it gone, I can just put it in the trash. Just delete it. That's it. It's gone. So it's a really small file. It does not install anything. It just runs from that little exe file, and you hit escape to get it to go off, and that's about it. So hopefully that helps if you're wondering how to get rid of it or how to install it in the first place.